Hey, Mister Weatherman, what's the weather gonna be?
I think they're waiting for me. Today's the day. And we're on our way. I owe this all to Stuck and Gunner. Don Stuck, Gunner, JMV, they've all taken this ride before.
Morning guys, we're here today. Paul Poteet's going to be here any second for his procedure. Multi-unit hair grafting, we're going to refine that hairline. Very excited. Let's go see if he's here.
Follow me. Hey. Are you ready?
I'm ready, are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Come back.
You just say, no, I'm not.
Come on in, have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right guys, we're here with Paul. Ready to rock and roll, my man?
I guess so.
Let's have a look at this hairline, guys. So what we're going to do here with Paul is what we call reframing the face. He's got this this receding area. So we want to bring this receding down here. We want to broaden the front of the hairline. He's got a little hair at the front that's kind of hanging on. And so we're going to bring that a little bit lower. We're going to do the same on both sides. And then if we spin him around, we've got this little patch here. Not as big as the JMV monkey butt, but a little patch here we're going to fill in the crown as well. So this is the donor area. Beautiful. Can't wait to get this up to here and here. So we are ready to roll. Going to get it started, guys. Excited. Let's do this.
Good morning. Hi, I'm Amy. Nice to meet you.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. The question is, are you ready?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Go ahead and have a seat.
The first step of the day of the procedure is a quick meeting with the physician and the patient. In this case, Paul Poteet, going over what his goals, expectations are. And the physician will then draw in, mark out the hairline based on facial structure. You know, it takes a lot of experience and artistic expertise to design a nice hairline. Fortunately, our physicians have done thousands of transplants. So.
Hi. This is Ariel. Ariel is Paul.
Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you.
That's Tyra.
Hi, nice to meet you.
This is Maria. They're going to get you all squared away and I'll be in with the happy juice.
Okay. What's sir?
That's not a problem for us.
Seas it's full. And water.
Today we're doing Paul Poteet's hairline, so it's important that we get a lot of 1s, 2s, and 3s. When Dr. Weishi takes the strip, he is amazing at getting the angle just perfect, so you can see there's very little transection, none at all. And you can see how unbelievable Paul's donor area is, very dense. We'll build the hairline back, putting the 1s in the very front, and integrating some of the 2s and then 3s behind those for some of the density. We do these multi-unit follicular grafts which have 4 and 5 hairs in them, and so we can move 6,000-7,000 hairs sometimes in a transplant depending on a patient's donor area. And that's how we are able to move such an amazing amount of hair above some of our competitors. And the fact they're all different shapes and sizes, there's no consistent pattern, so it confuses the eye and really adds to that natural look. It's like when you look into a forest, you see some bushes and shrubs up front, and then it gets denser and denser as it goes back.
Hey guys, it's nearly 12:30, so we're just getting finished up with Paul in the home straight. Transplant went great, beautiful donor yield. The two girls are just finishing up the last placement of the grafts in the frontal hairline area. We've packed the hair in really close, and our physician was really happy with how it went. So about half hour, 45 minutes, we'll be done. We're then going to go over the post-procedure directions. Paul's wife's going to come pick him up, take him home, just taking it easy tonight. We're going to call, check in on him. He's going to be doing a little icing on the forehead and the area we took the hair from in the back. Then he'll be back tomorrow morning around about 9 o'clock for his follow-up, and we're going to wash the transplant area. So couldn't be happier, it went great. Really excited for Paul.
How's Mister Weatherman?
Oh, he's partly cloudy. he's not as foggy as he was yesterday.
Good.
No.
Donor area in the back, very, very clean. It's hidden by his existing hair. So
It feels like I'm wearing a hat in the back, but I know I'm not. But
Yeah.
I'm in no pain today, and I was certainly in no pain apparently yesterday. I don't remember much after the procedure began. And Mrs. P was helping me out yesterday evening, keeping an eye on the ice packs and things like that, and I guess it looks pretty good.
looks great. I got the thumbs up from you last night about 10:30, so that was a good sign. Let you turn the phone back on.
A lot of a lot of sleep in the big brown chair.
Well, you did great. We're looking forward to it. We're going to get you back in for a couple of follow-ups this week, do a little laser hair therapy, and then just hurry up and grow. Before you know it, new hair, huh? It's going to be awesome.
Sneak preview.
Yeah. Thanks, Paul.
Now, I can't promise you that you'll get kitty cat therapy when you go to see the PAI group. I think Darren will come to your side. I'm not sure if Baxter will join you, but he's with me this morning, and I'm in my studio at home. It's been 36 hours since the treatment. How do I look? Actually, there's been some changes already. I had a little bit of swelling, which is normal. It was kind of here yesterday. Looked like I'd gained weight in my forehead for a day, but that's kind of moved on. There's a little bit around the eyes. Not too bad. I'm in no pain. I'm already not taking Tylenol. Believe me, I was in no pain during the procedure. That's what everybody tells me at the clinic, and I was very entertaining. So I'm in no pain. It kind of feels, the back of my head feels like I've got a cap on, maybe. It's, occasionally kind of tingly, kind of, occasionally it's itchy. And really, that's about the only thing. I usually have no trouble sleeping, so although, you need to keep your self sitting down or kind of halfway, sitting down like that, I was able to sleep probably about 5 hours in a row last night. So feeling pretty good right now. Soon I'll be as furry on top as Baxter. Am I right? Yeah, right.